Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Southside Fishing. Today I've got something pretty fun for you. It's going to be a challenge. The challenge is expensive versus inexpensive rod and reel setup. I'm going to be using the inexpensive reel setup and rod setup, and my friend Brian is going to be using the more expensive one. Mine costs about $100, or $150, sorry. The reel costs 50, the rod costs 100. What he's going to be using, I think, is going to cost about 400. So the point basically is to see, or to show you guys what kind of rod and reel you should be getting to start off your fishing adventure. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so my setup is a Johnny Moore's Carbon Light, medium heavy 7-foot rod with a BPS Extremes reel on it, bait casting setup.
And then for our expensive setup, I am using a Shimano Chronarch 200E6, and then this was about a $190 reel. And then for my rod, I have a Shimano Kumara crankbait specific rod. Now these retail for about $280, but I was able to find this one for $150. And then tied onto that, I have a Shimano BX walk-in minnow. Now these typically retail for around $13 or $14. This one is in the shadow color, yet I was also able to find this one for $6. So we'll see what we can get on it.
Nice. Okay, well, small guy for number one. Fish number one. Since this is a biggest fish challenge, I guess I'm gonna go weigh him, but he's not gonna be much. Okay, so this guy right here weighed 0.7 pounds. Get some more, hopefully bigger. I gotta win this challenge, I can't lose again. waiting for that thing.
No. Make sure you keep your rod tip up.
Man, I'm just about tired of this crankbait. I don't even know what brand it is. I don't know when I got it.
All right, Nick, tell the audience what the situation is right now.
I just cranked them.
And then I
don't
just
know
got
how
one.
heavy that is, but that's heavy, dude.
Dude, that's a huge fish,
One.
literally. Dude, look at that thing, bro.
I don't want to get a hook in my hand.
I got a tiny little one though. Whew, look at that thing. Dude, that thing is huge. Here, let me get my little guy off.
All right, well, we just doubled up.
I got my little guy.
Are you serious, dude? That is a chunk. That is a chunk.
Huge. Okay, we gotta get our scale.
Get the scale.
Let's see here. Let's get side by side.
Get this side by side right here.
Oh my. Mine might have a chance. I don't know though. Nah, I'm gonna let this one back.
Okay.
Let's see. 3.8.
3.8.
Yeah. That is.
It's so heavy. Look at that belly, dude.
That's a big belly
Look
on
at
that thing.
belly. Look at that mouth.
Beautiful fish, dude.
Let's go get ourselves a release here. Oh, did you even weigh yours?
No.
What do you think you weighed?
6 ounces maybe.
I'm gonna give you 7 because there it goes. The one I caught earlier was pretty much the same size and it was 0.7. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little budget competition. We only had like 2 hours to fish, so we didn't really get to go everywhere we wanted to. But I believe I won with a 3-pound, 8-ounce bass. He caught
Like half pounder.
like a half pounder, I think it was. But as you guys saw. And so what we're trying to
at least show you all is that at least you don't need to buy the top dollar lures like Rapala or Strike King or anything like that to get the sizable fish, really. I mean, $3 to $5 lures will perform pretty well. Their durability may be another deal, but really it's cheaper stuff does work to the same extent as expensive stuff does. Really what you're paying for is just durability and longevity with your lures and rods and so forth. I'd say with that too though, I think the reason why Nick caught that really good sized fish was because my Rapala X-Rap was a floater where his was a suspender, where we did see those bass coming in chasing them, but when we'd stop it they'd float up, and in my case the bass would just kind of lose interest, where with him he was able to stop his lure just, you know, mid-water and it could just sit there, and that's how he was able to get that really good sized bass. So at least for right now, you know, summer's really starting to get into full swing. We will probably try at the Hammond Marina again. You know, we definitely know that the Lake Drum are in now, so we will definitely try there next video or two, I'd say.
Yeah, so I mean, I hope you guys understand now, you don't need the really expensive stuff when you're beginning. However, in the long run, the cheaper stuff is going to start breaking out. I mean, my reel is actually starting to go, and I'm thinking about getting a new one now. So it's a $50 reel, so it's to be expected. I've had it for like 2 years. So his is still going strong, and it's much more expensive, so that's proof right there. So like I said, I mean, you really do what you want to do, honestly, but just take our word for it, really. I mean, he has an expensive one, I have like a mid to low range one, and mine's starting to break down. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was like a 2-hour crunch challenge, so we're gonna be getting back at you guys with some bangers. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, fish every day. going on, guys? Before I end the video, I just wanted to let you guys know something pretty cool, and that is I am now a part of Logix Fishing. That is Logix Fishing. They're an online fishing store, basically. They sell fishing apparel with their logo on it. They sell rods, reels, they sell lures, things like that. And I was checking them out, and they were kind enough to just ask me if I wanted to be a part of them. And of course, I'm not going to turn that down. I'm going to say, heck yeah, I want to. So I think you guys should go check them out. They've got really good stuff for low prices. And if you use this code that I'll put right here, SSF15, you can go ahead and get yourself 15% off of your order. And orders over 15 bucks automatically have free shipping. So just wanted to put that in there real quick. Thank you guys for basically giving me this opportunity, so go check them out.